Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel, and my name is Chef Angie and
I'm Chef Cathy. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. We see the comments, right?
yes.
So today, let us go ahead with what we're doing today. We are going to make some cookies. Here we have flour, we have icing sugar, we have butter, we have some vanilla essence and an egg, as simple as that. Can you substitute the icing sugar with granulated sugar or the everyday sugar we use at home? No.
I almost said yes.
No, guys.
But you can experiment.
Maybe if you're experimenting, but it will not melt.
Does it affect the texture?
Sure, it does.
Okay.
So you will have rough cookies. So these ones are very smooth.
Okay.
So the recipe is just Chef Angie is going to put for us the flour. I'll put the icing sugar in, and then we will have the butter. She'll put the butter. I'll put the egg.
Batter.
As simple as that. You just put in all the ingredients in at once. It's always better to use clear essence, just that we have dark essence here, vanilla, of course. But you can experiment with other extracts or flavors. So we will go in with some vanilla, and then I think that's it. If you have a hand mixer, table mixer, well and good. But we're going to go in with our hand.
Yay! It's going to be messy.
It's going to be a little bit messy, but it's going to be good. For how long do these cookies bake? They really bake for within 30 minutes, we are good to go. And the mixing takes around 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes, we should be good. So Chef Angie, how has your week been?
My week has been fantastic.
Tell me what's happening.
Well, one time it rains, another time it is dying.
So it's just a mixture of the two.
There's a balance of things.
And I think that's
of weather.
I think that's the good thing about life, right?
Yeah.
Because you're experiencing it in its wholeness, not just everyday joy, then everyday sadness. Nah.
Exactly. So I see they are now crowns.
Yeah, but we are trying to make a dough. So I'm trying to make sure it sticks together. Sometimes someone will be scared and probably think we should add some water.
Yeah.
No chefs. I almost called you chefs, right? No, guys.
Yes, chefs.
Yeah. You know we work around chefs, so everything. Yeah. No chef, yes chef. So you don't have to add any liquid to it. I don't know. As we can see, it's starting to come together.
Yes. So the only liquid is the egg white. The egg.
Yeah, the egg and the butter and the essence, and then you're good to go.
And I think also because of the warmth in our hands, it also melts that butter and the dough is coming together. Only the chemistry of
For real anyway. So we will put it on our worktop. Our stove is already clean, guys. We are
disinfected.
Yeah, disinfected and all those beautiful things. And then we'll need it a little bit more.
Wow, this is magical. The way it just came together.
Yes.
Without water.
No water, no milk, no nothing. So we can have different cuts out of it using cookie cutters like we have here on the side. We'll get just a rolling pin and cut out to deep.
I like stars.
You're kidding.
Baby.
I know they are. That's why I'm saying you're kidding.
Christmas time, you will think
I should come this cheap during Christmas Day. This is the upload. Christmas is around the corner. Oh, mean your Christmas time. Are we even making any recipes for Christmas?
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Don't make her. She's hyping us. She's hyping us. So our dough is here. Do not be tempted to overdust. If you want to dust, you can lightly dust. But if we are ready to go, you roll 1.5 inches thick.
1.5 inches.
Yeah. If you make your cookies very thick, I don't think you will like the outcome. They will be as if doughy.
Oh yes.
Not crunchy, not moist. So I'll pick up mine with a palette knife. So if you have,
I can make them very thin.
Very, very thin. No, that's fine. So I'll go in with my hand whisk just to put some simple designs. You can always use any equipment you have in the kitchen to make a design. Yeah, I think you're seeing we are playing around with different things.
So I'm gonna use this.
If you want ginger, you just incorporate ginger in your dough. It's really up to you. Sometimes I prefer to use fresh, but powder is best.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you could go in with your powdered ginger, and then you're good to go. Then I'll leave one that is really known.
Okay, I seem to be struggling, but I'm getting there. There. It's a learning moment, brothers and sisters.
I can't believe she makes cookies every day.
Yeah, but
I feel like she's lying to us that she's struggling. She's lying.
I'm with you.
No, she is. So this is a very good activity to do with your children. The holidays are soon coming up, so maybe I'll also make a few baby or little ones. Pick them up with my palette knife.
This is quick and easy.
Very quick, very easy, making that.
Quick work for me.
So imagine that these dogs have told you they are coming 30 minutes away. Trust me, they'll find when you're done.
In the bowl, I just mix up,
and
open.
And if you notice, we've made the cookies using everyday ingredients. The butter is always in your house. I don't know, somehow you could have icing sugar. I don't know what you'd be using it for on a daily, but yeah. Icing sugar would also be good. So our cookies are ready, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see the designs we put on top of the cookies. They look amazing. It's a very nice way to play around with your cookies. So we are going to try out different ways of garnishing or presenting them. I don't know what Annie wants to do with hers.
Show me. Tell me what.
I think I'll just get this. So here we have something called Oreo icing. We've not made it so thin. It should be a little bit thick so that it can hold on our cookie. And then maybe I would do this to it. Looks nice, it's nice. And remove the excess from it. And maybe I'm thinking of a child. Then I was
You're thinking about me.
Oh yeah, I'm thinking about her.
That child.
She's the child in this scenario here. So a bit playful, a bit nice. I don't know. Maybe I don't know what I can do to the other one. Probably I can do pearls. So we do the swirls.
Say what? Say what? Say what?
Maybe this is the child in you. And then maybe we put some pearls on it. A little bit of pearls. I don't know. I want to go in for the teeny tiny ones, but I can't seem to access them. Okay, I think we'll go with what I have. And then an extra this to give it a pop. And yeah, here we go. So our cookies are ready, and it's going to be time to taste.
Yeah.
Oh, Chef Angie wants to do something extra for her.
Yes. I just want to do something.
So you can decide to totally drop them into the royal icing or just have a few dips. You can also decide to use white chocolate or dark chocolate, but in this scenario we use some cream and then the royal icing. Time to taste, guys, and we are just going right into the cookies. So I have one here. Chef Angie, why? Okay. Why do you want to share with me? Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Come.
Nice. What do you think?
I love the texture of the cookies.
Yeah.
I would use unsalted butter to make them more buttery. And I don't know, these are my favorites because tea snack, tea bites, I don't know, if you're bored, this is the thing to have, people who love snacking. So, and the recipe, we notice it's just about 30 minutes and you're good to go.
And the sugar is just enough.
Yeah, the sugar is just enough. So we can't wait for you to try out these and let us know in the comment section. For more of these recipes, check our description box. So right about now, we want to tell you about 7-Star Culinary Institute here in Ntinda, just along Dr. Asia Road. We have short courses, diploma courses, certificate courses, and we have the kids programs coming in this December. Bring your kids, let them learn an extra skill with professional instructors. So we can't wait to see you bringing your kids and also you coming to join us. So until next time, Chef Angie, cheers.